What's going on, guys? Dustin the Cardboard Hobby breaking 2014 Contenders. It's a half case 6-box break tonight. Date is January 28, 2015. For the break, I asked you guys to vote. We had 3 votes. All 3 voted for the right side, so we're breaking the right side of this case tomorrow. Or tonight, excuse me, tonight. The left side will go up next Monday. All right, guys. And before we begin, I let everybody know what's going on. For the Panini points, someone just asked. Panini points, what we're going to do is, say we get 4 Panini point cards. I'm going to put all 32 teams in the random.org, randomized 5 times. After 5 times, we have 4 Panini points. First place, whoever comes in first will get 1, whoever comes in second will get 1, whoever comes in third will get 1, whoever comes in fourth will get 1. That's how we're going to do it. So if you've got 5 teams, you have 5 chances to win 1. If you've got 1 team, you have 1 chance to win 1, depending on how many there are. If that makes sense, if you guys have any questions on that, let me know. That's how we're going to do the Panini points. Anyway, done yapping. Let me read off our teams and orders. Okay. I got Brian with the Bears and Titans, Claudio with the 49ers and Rams, Dan with the Steelers, Diane with the Patriots, Don with the Bengals, or I'm sorry, Don M with the Bengals, Don S with the Browns. 2 Dons in this break. I got Jeff S with the Cowboys, Texans, Giants, Jets. I have Jeff V with the Ravens, Jeffrey P with the Raiders and Eagles, Jeremiah with the Dolphins, John with the Panthers and Chargers, Josh F with the Vikings, Josh or Kelly, that's the name on the thing, is the Saints, Juan with the Redskins, Justin with the Seahawks and Bucks, Matt with the Cardinals, Packers, and Colts, Nicholas with the Chiefs, Randy with the Falcons and Broncos, Timothy B with the Lions, and Tom with the Bills and the Jaguars. Here's our teams and orders, guys. Here's our case. I'll take it this way so you guys can see the tape. As far back as I go with it. All taped up, guys. All sealed. Bottom. The bottom. There's our case. Okay. And you guys voted for the right side. So slice this open. Dump it out. Do it right tonight. Left on Monday. So if you guys want to get the second half of this case, we're doing it on Monday. One of my favorite products to open. It's clean. Oh, dropping stuff. Sorry, hold on, guys. There we go. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. And you guys picked the right side, so I'm taking the left half away. Push it back over. Here's our 6 boxes, guys. Let's do this. Good luck, everyone. We're going to do 1 box at a time. We're going to open up the box, all the packs in the box, and we're going to go through them that way. One by one, it just takes way too long, and nobody wants to sit around for that. So. And there's your empty box. We'll do half a stack at a time. How's that? Backwards. I like that. Your Prime Sig's already broke. If you need the link, shoot me a message on eBay and I'll send you the link. If you're on your mobile device, you won't be able to view it on here because whatever Ustream doesn't like mobile devices. If you're on a desktop, you can view it right in the recent videos. If you need the YouTube link, shoot me a message on eBay, and after this break is over, I'll send you the link. Can't do it right now, but I will when it's over. Yeah, Prime broke it. Prime broke at 9:30. That's the first half, guys. If you guys need me to slow down at any point, if you guys missed something, please feel free to ask. Porter. We got a touchdown tandem, Benjamin and Newton. Let's focus before I continue. There we go. Porter. There's a Panini pull or redemption. Brandon Cooks, rookie playoff ticket, RPS. Brandon Cooks of the Saints. So Saints, first up. Saints are our first team on the board. New Orleans Saints. New Orleans Saints. Another kid reporter. Insert Derek Carr. Porter. Colin Kaepernick insert. Porter. Trey Mason, rookie of the year contender, insert for the Rams. Yeah, Brandon Cooks is a nice hit. Good reporters all over the place. Cracked ice of Greg Olsen out of 22, 13 of 22. Nice hit for Carolina. Cracked ice of Greg Olsen, 13 of 22. Season ticket. Season ticket. Greg Olsen, Carolina. Nice hit. I gotta figure out a more mechanical way to do this here. Give me a minute. Let me organize. There we go. We got Rajon Neal auto, Green Bay. Rajon Neal, Green Bay. Auto. Kid reporter. We got Aaron Murray, Adrian McCarron, duel. And kid reporter. We already went through these, I believe. I can't remember. We're done. All right. That's half first box, guys. Here's the second half. You have two autos so far. Upside down. Easier to open. Trying to think of methodical ways to do this. So far we got Packers and Saints with the autos. And a season ticket of Greg Olsen for Carolina. Auto right there. I don't know who it is, but it's backwards, so I know it. It's hard to hold this whole stack, so I'm going to break this into two pieces. One half here, one half here. All right, here we go. Base, Jeffrey Cutler. Base. Panini points, 150 points. Panini, set that to the side. Taj Boyd, did I miss him? Let me say Taj Boyd. Did I miss something? I don't think I did. Nope. Brandon Cooks, insert. Get a border. We got Andre Williams, rookie of the year contender. Border. All right, we got some models coming up, I'm assuming. Right on top here is our first as an auto. Oh my, it's a 101. 101 Super Bowl ticket. Ba-ba-da-ba. Super Bowl ticket right on top. You were very close when you said Taj Boyd. Calvin Pryor, 1/1 Super Bowl ticket for the Jets. Calvin Pryor, 1/1 Super Bowl ticket for the New York Jets. It's a nice 1/1. Calvin Pryor, 1/1 Super Bowl ticket. I was feeling a 1/1 tonight. I was feeling it. Super Bowl ticket, 1/1 for the Jets. Congrats to the Jets, 1/1. Let's keep it going. Could call that Tosh Boyd. That was pretty close. Right team. We got legendary contenders of Joe Montana. Border. We got Matt Hazel auto for the Dolphins. You got it, buddy. You're welcome. Matt Hazel, Dolphins auto. Kidder border. Tosh Boyd auto. That's probably the one I saw was backwards. It's on fire. That's on card too. Taj Boyd. Good call on that. Taj Boyd. That's funny. That's funny. And Jack Cannon, Josh Brown, duel, and Kidder Border. That's a first box guy. Not a bad start. Not a bad start at all. Got a 1/1. Panini points. Brandon Cooks. In the box. This half first. So what do we like? Who do you like in the Super Bowl, guys? Talk to me. We feeling the Seahawks or we feeling the Patriots? I'm feeling the Patriots, personally. But what the heck do I know? Patriots by 13. Well, with the Jets, yeah, you can get them cheap too. Get the Jets cheap. I'm going for the Cheaters. I can't stand the Seahawks. I'm a Rams fan, so I really can't stand the Seahawks. That are the 49ers, man. Anybody but either of those two teams. Here we go. So base. We got Trey Mason. Insert St. Louis. Speaking of the Rams. MVP contender Peyton Manning. Kidder Border. We got Brandon Cooks, Rookie of the Year contender. Saints, all kinds of Brandon Cooks. We're going to make Brandon Cook a rainbow. Dustin Vaughn auto for the Dallas Cowboys. Dustin Vaughn. Dustin pulling Dustins. That's what we do. We look out for each other. There we go. Good reports. And we got a Lawrence Taylor. What is this? Lawrence Taylor, yes, I thought so. Lawrence Taylor. Never heard of him. I had never heard of him either. Good reporter. Sam Bradford. Jimmy Garoppolo. Garoppolo on card for the Patriots. Patriots on the board. Jimmy G. Jimmy G. And that. Second half of that stack. Got two autos out of there so far. Let's go throw those kid reporters on the bottom. I'm throwing it over here. So you guys will say, what's that card you threw over there? That's what it was. Good reporter. We have Tom Savage, Logan Thomas, Stafford, Calvin Johnson, touchdown duo. Get the border. And auto on the back. Out of 199, Mike Davis for Oakland. A lazy auto. Look at that thing. What in the world's going on there? Mike Davis out of 199 for Oakland. 18 of 199. Oh, almost a jersey number. We were close. Playoff ticket, Mike Davis for the Raiders. The Raiders. Second half. Something heavy over in one of those. I think it was gold. Someone's on a roll. New streamer 55501. It's on fire. Come on. Okay. I agree with the Rex Ryan. I think it's terrible. There we go. Here we go. We got Kelvin Benjamin. Insert. Base. Marquise Lee. Insert. More base. Bunch more base. Get reporter. We got another. We're gonna get the Greg Olsen rainbow too. Out of 199. Greg Olsen. Carolina. 50 of 199. Or wait, 52 of 199. I'm sorry. 52 of 199. Greg Olsen. And we got value collector of Khalil Mack, rookie cracked ice. Rookie ticket cracked ice of Khalil Mack. That's it for Oakland. Rookie ticket cracked ice RPS Khalil Mack for Oakland, and then behind that is the kid reporter. Khalil Mack is nice. Go box 3. Nice hit for Oakland. Yeah. Cracked ice. Khalil Mack. Nice hit. Empty box. The redemption was for the rookie ticket cracked ice, Khalil Mack. All right. Congrats to Oakland. It's a nice hit. You're welcome. Okay. Hit right here, so bring that one up with it. All right. Dante Moncrief. Stay to focus before we continue. Dante Moncrief insert. Indy. Good reporters. Stick a C in those. DeMarco Murray MVP contender. Reporter. Trey Archer, Rookie of the Year. And then we got Terrence Mitchell, auto for Dallas. Terrence Mitchell for Dallas, auto. Good reporter. Reporter. Then we got Tony Dorsett. Tony Dorsett for Dallas. Insert. Then our auto, I've already seen it because I saw it on the bottom and I picked up the stack, is Tom Savage. Rookie Inc. Tom Savage. Rookie Inc. Tom Savage. For Houston. Then that. And then this half. Focus real quick. Yep. Phase. We got Benjamin Cooks. Benjamin Cooks. Ryan Tannehill, Mike Wallace, touchdown tandem. Not for much longer. And Rookie Inc. Timmy Jernigan for Baltimore. Timmy Jernigan for the Ravens. I'm your lucky breaker, man. Second half. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Alex Smith, Dwayne Bell, touchdown tandem. Whole bunch of them. I just made touchdown catches with Dwayne Bowe this year. Nothing in this pack. It's empty. What in the world? One card in here. Doesn't even open. What a bizarre pack this is. I got a peek. Nothing. Weird. Just super light. Stuck. All right, here we go. Eric Ebron. Insert. Jeremy Hill, Rookie of the Year contender. A legit one. Chad Henne out of 199. 161 of 199. Chad Henne for Jacksonville. Playoff ticket. Very random. All right, there we go. Redemption for Trey Mason, Rookie of the Year contenders autograph. Nice. For St. Louis, Rookie of the Year contender autograph by Trey Mason. Sweet hit for St. Louis. I'm a Trey Mason fan. I'm a Rams fan. Always got to pull some Rams love. Rookie of the Year contender auto, Trey Mason. Carry on. All right, second part. Auto right on top. Second one goes to Jordan Lynch of the Bears. Jordan Lynch of the Bears auto. And we got Clinton Dix Pryor. Russell Wilson, Percy Harvin. So much for that. And then Jerick McKinnon auto for the Vikings. Jerick McKinnon from Minnesota. I saw someone said they had Minnesota in here. Congrats on a hit. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta move some of these cards out of the way before I knock them over. Okay. Box 4, halfway done, guys. Halfway home, about 25 minutes in. I want to pull some gold here. That would be sweet. And the quarterback so far was Tom Savage. So, should be some quarterback love coming up. I don't think we have any receivers yet, have we? A few running backs. We have Brandon Cooks. That's right. Josh Gordon is a fool. Josh Gordon is a fool, and there's no other word to describe it. He is simply a fool. We got Jordan Matthews. Work with me here. There we go. Such a bum is right. What a fool, man. All that money. MVP candidate. 1 second. Cards are getting drunk here. They're all out of order. There we go. Bishop Sankey. Insert. There's an auto. Darren Reeves for Carolina. Another running back. Darren Reeves. I hope he never plays again. Kelvin Benjamin. I hope he gets in more trouble. You only get so many chances. You have the world by the balls and you mess up. Jim Kelly, Buffalo. All the money to be made and you mess up like that. What a fool. Yeah, Aaron Murray, rookie contender, rookie of the year contenders. Kansas City. Aaron Murray, rookie of the year contender for Kansas City. Kid reporter. I always see the pool right at the auto. It's weird. And we got James Wright, Jeff Janis. Manuel Watkins. Auto is out of 99. Cyril Richardson for Buffalo. Number 28 of 99. Cyril Richardson of Buffalo. Come on. Cameron hates chrome cards. I promise it's 28 of 99. I don't know why I can't get it to focus. There we go. 28 of 99. For Buffalo. Cyril Richardson. Same packs have an auto every time. This one, top pack. We got a numbered auto in there. Sorry, I peeked. I saw Glimmer and I saw an auto, so I wanted to look. Unfortunately, I don't think I've ever heard of the guy, unless I read the name wrong. I just want to check this one. I want to see if my theory is right, and this is an auto in here. We're going to do this one first, guys, if you don't mind. And then we're going to go to the rest of them. I just want to test my theory out. Close enough. 250 Panini points. Putting that to the side. All right, I just want to test it. We'll go through the rest now. I was curious. Forgive me. There we go. Cut right there. The whole pack. We got draft class Marquise Lee, Jaguars. Devontae Adams. DeMarco Murray, MVP, contenders numbered out of 199. 111 of 199 for Dallas. Auto of Jeremy Hill. Jeremy Hill, rookie ink for Cincinnati. Tough auto to replicate there. Very tough one to forge. Jeremy Hill. The rest. We got, is the one I saw, Shane Scobb. Shane Scobb out of 199. 107 of 199 for San Francisco. Shane Scobb out of 199. Mettenberg fails. And Matthews bowls. Quarter. Okay, 2 boxes left, guys. We have 2 rewards so far. We have a 250 and a 150. The 250 will be on top when we do the randomizer, and 150 will be second. Cool. And if we have another 150, it'll be third. If we have another 250, it'll be second. So I'm going to go in order from highest to lowest. box. Looking for some silver or gold. Come on now. Let's see another point card in there. It's peeking out the top. Gold plate Andrew Luck. That'd be sweet. I want to see the gold plate Beckham. I would love to be the one that pulls that. The hit of the case. Or the hit of the product, really, at this point. I'll pull a gold plate anyone. I'll play. Yeah, not happening. I'll pull the gold plate. I don't even care who. Gold plate kickers. I don't care. I just want to pull one. That'd be cool. Kickers are people too. Here we go. Rumble Bryant. 150 points. That's what I saw. 150 points. Border. We got a Marcus Lee. Insert. Border. Border. Jeremy Hill, Rookie of the Year contender. Border and Jason Witten. There's the rest. I have not pulled an auto yet out of this half. Brady Amendola. Where are our autos? Here's one. Derek Carr. On-card auto. Derek Carr for Oakland. Congrats to Oakland. Oakland's having a nice little break for themselves here. Derek Carr on the Oakland. Oakland's having themselves a nice break. Someone's got to do it. It looks like it's going to be Oakland. Trey Mason. And Bishop Sankey. Only one auto in that half, so it must be some. We got some autos coming up here, guys. Some autos coming up. Oh, one sec. Cut my back. All right. Stubborn pack. I see the color. I see some color in there. Here we go. I hope he does, man. I hope he plays. I hope he has some competition. Here's another redemption. Let's see what we got. Redemption for Devontae Adams. Nice rookie ticket variation of Devontae Adams for Green Bay. Congrats. Nice hit for Green Bay. Devontae Adams RPS variation. Nice hit for Green Bay. Congrats on that. Hopefully bring in some competition, Bradford. They said they're going to. I hope they hold true with that. Got to give him someone to run against. He hasn't had any his whole career there. His whole career. Steve Young. Insert. And we got Marcus Smith out of 199. what was that? 190. So hard to see. 193 of 199. Marcus Smith for Philadelphia. Playoff ticket. Marcus Smith. Unfortunately, you're probably right. I hate to admit it, you're probably right. Dude can't keep an ACL to save his life. Another one. Trent Murphy, Washington. I knew we had some autos coming up. You're kidding, but you're probably right. That's the bad part. And then we got Allen Robinson, Marquise Lee. Let's finish it off. Porter. Got Andrew Luck, T.Y. Hilton out of 199. Touchdown tandems. 131 of 199. Pow. Over here. Over there. Another Viking, 199. 92 of 199. Almost a jersey number. Scott Crichton. 92 of 199. Scott Crichton. Scott Crichton out of 199. For the Vikings. And we're going on. And we got another insert out of 99. 31 of 99. Marquise Lee, Allen Robinson. Out of 99, Marquise Lee, Allen Robinson. And then Clowney Ford. Clowney Ford. And then your thing. Last box, guys. Then we'll random off the Panini points at the end. Stuff all over the place here. Cards for days. Probably, yeah. I think he will be, actually. I don't know. I have a feeling he will be. It's not like he murdered someone, you know what I mean? Like, he was an idiot. He's an idiot. What he did was right. I'm not justifying what he did. I just think it's a lot to, it's not like he, I don't know what I was trying to say this without sounding inconsiderate, but it's an easy to forgive type of thing. It's not like he beat his wife like Ray Rice, you know what I mean? Or he's like, the NFL's after him. Color in there. The dual cards will be at the end. What we're going to do is we'll put all 32 teams in the randomizer, and a 250 pointer will be number 1, 150 pointers will be 2 and 3. Whoever's first, second, and third, or however many we have, we'll get the cards. Each team you have is an entry. So if you have one team, you get one entry. Obviously, if you have two entries, etc., so on and so forth. That's how we do the. I agree. I'm not even going to get into that situation. That's a topic for a home topic. I could ramble about that, but I'm not going to go there. Get the last get reporter here. Okay. Money, exactly right. Exactly right. NFL. I don't even want to go there. Stop now. Teddy Bridgewater, Rookie of the Year contender. Minnesota. Video said it all. You are right. Finally, an auto. Let's take it. Maybe not. Insert Rookie of the Year, Dree Archer out of 199. Out of 199, 195, 199, Dree Archer. Finally a Teddy. That's right. Charles Sims on card for Tampa Bay. Then we got Bishop Sankey, numbered out of 49. Nice. 25 of 49. Bishop Sankey for Tennessee. He has a nice auto. 25 of 49. Bishop Sankey. The Titans. His auto is cool. I like it. I enjoy it. Nice auto, Bishop. And our Super Bowl Kid Reporter. That's it for this one. Second half of the first half. MVP contender Drew Brees. Khalil Mack, Rookie of the Year contender. Marcus Robertson. Rams, Marcus Robertson. Some Rams love for the Rams fan. That's what we do. Then we got Jim Kelly. Insert. And a Kid Reporter. Oh, these Kid Reporters. Kid Reporters for days. Jeez, oh man. Never ending. Last step, guys. That's right. You guys are waiting around. So good luck. If I can hook you guys up. The last stack, last chance. Now we have what? At least 2 autos left in this part, I believe. At least 2. Opening. I believe we have 2 autos in here. Minimum. I don't see any gold plates yet. I'm running low on chances. If you got any gold, no silver, no gold. Maybe next time. Guys, if you want to do the second half of this case, we're doing the second half on Monday. So if you guys want to take part in the second half of the case, it will be Monday night. As long as I don't forget to put the listings up, it'll be Monday night. There you go. There's one, Yellen Smallwood, Atlanta. I believe that's their first hit. Let's focus. Come on now. You were doing so well today, camera. Yellen Smallwood, Atlanta. Promise it's him. Brandon Cooks. There we go. For Step on to it. Numbered out of 99. 18 of 99 for the Steelers. Step on to it out of 99. Champions ticket for Pittsburgh. I believe that's their first hit. 2, I believe. I'm not 100% on that. See if we have any bonus hits. Go for some bonus love. Moncrief West. Kid Reporter. 150 points. So we got 4 to give away. I called that in the beginning. Pretty good guess, huh? Pretty good guess, I would say. Here we go. Derek Carr. Turn my Pandora back on. Shucks. Yes, I'm still listening. Okay. Kerry Thomas, insert. Any bonuses? Rogers Nelson. No bonus. Bishop Sankey. And that guy. Okay. Let's go over these hits again real quick. Okay, here we go. Some of these, give me 1 second, actually. I'm going to look through these, make sure I didn't put any in this stack by accident. Bear with me, guys. Give me like 5 seconds there. I want to make sure I don't miss any hits and put something in the wrong stack. That. These are just inserts out of numbered inserts. So I'm going to go over those too. Right, that's it. Okay. There's going to be some non-autos in here, like these two. Henny and Greg Olson out of 199. Jacksonville, Carolina. And then we had Stephon Tuitt out of 99 for Pittsburgh. Yalin Smallwood, Atlanta. Marcus Robertson, Rams. Love his auto, Bishop Sankey out of 99. Or out of 49, 25 of 49, Tennessee. Sweet hit. Charles Sims, Tampa Bay. Out of 199, Jerry Archer, insert, Pittsburgh. Out of 99, insert, Jaguars. Scott Crichton out of 199 for Minnesota. Hilton and Luck out of 199, insert, no auto. Trent Murphy, Washington. And then we have Marcus Smith out of 199 for Philadelphia. And we have a nice hit here. Devontae Adams, rookie ticket, RPS variation for Green Bay. Derek Carr, Oakland. And we got Shane Scobb out of 199 for the San Francisco 49ers. Jeremy Hill, Bengals. Out of 199, DeMarco Murray, non-auto, insert. Cyril Richardson out of 99 for Buffalo. Aaron Murray, Kansas City. Darren Reeves, Carolina. Jarek McKinnon, Minnesota. Jordan Lynch, Buffalo. We have a sick hit. Or that's not this one coming up. Rookie of the Year, Contenders Auto for Trey Mason. Rookie of the Year, Contender Auto for Trey Mason. We got Timmy Jernigan for Baltimore. Tom Savage for Houston. Terrence Mitchell for Dallas. We got a sick one here. Rookie ticket cracked ice of Khalil Mack. It's a nice hit for Oakland. We got Mike Davis out of 199 for Oakland. Back-to-back Oaklands there. Garoppolo, New England. Dustin Vaughn, Dallas. Taj Boyd for the Jets. Matt Hazel for the Dolphins. Leave that one for last. We have Rajon Neal for the Packers. We have a cracked ice out of 22 of Greg Olson. Season pass, insert. We have Brandon Cooks, rookie playoff ticket RPS. Then a 101 Calvin Pryor for the Jets, 1 of 1. It's a boomer. Nice hit. Congrats on that. That's a sweet card. We had a couple nice ones. That 101, and we had that Khalil Mack is a nice hit. All right, guys. Now we're doing our Panini reward time. All right. Give me 1 second. Let me set up the random.org. Here's how it's going to work one more time in case you guys didn't hear the first time. All 32 teams are going in to the random.org. Okay. This would be for the first spot, second spot, third spot, and fourth spot. We randomized 5 times as per the eBay description. Okay. So say Dallas is first on the randomizer. Look at the 250. Denver's second. Look at 150, etc., etc. That's how we do it. Randomized 5 times. With a momentum, let me set it up. The more teams you have, the more chances you have to win at least one of them. Okay, let me see here. Let me get one of these teams that are already in alphabetical order. Here we go. All right. Copy. Random.org. Panini Rewards. Who doesn't love Panini Rewards? These things so nice. Guaranteed money makers. Here we go. Here we go, guys. I got all 32 teams in the randomizer. Arizona's on top. I'll go real slow so you guys can see them. Make sure your team's in there. Oh, sorry. All 32 teams are in there, guys. We randomized 5 times. First spot will get 250. Second, third, and fourth will each get 150. The more teams you got, the more chance you are. Here we go. Here's your time. 11:58 Eastern time.
She is so energetic to see that in a small space. Is what I'm looking forward to.
Sure, we can see that.
Hi, this is Meryl.
Okay, here we go. 1.
You can hear live recordings and watch.
It's our 32 teams.
Click now to launch the Sonos station on Contenders.
2. Oh my gosh, look at Dallas and Denver. Just like I said it was going to happen. That's weird. That's really weird. Okay. 3. 4. And the 5th time, guys. This is the time that counts. Good luck, everyone. 5. Denver on top. St. Louis second. Miami is third. Pittsburgh is fourth. Here we go, guys. Denver is 1. Denver's getting 250. St. Louis will get 150. Miami will get 150. Pittsburgh will get 150. There's our timestamp now, 11:59. And our list was randomized 5 times. Denver, St. Louis, Miami, and Pittsburgh. That's our break, guys. I appreciate you guys all joining in tonight. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If not, I'll hang around for a couple minutes after this break. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, thanks for breaking with Cardboard Hobby, guys. We do appreciate you guys' business. Thanks again.